I love you, my man. Everything is gonna be okay. I know it's hard. I know it's tough. I know love ain't shit. Love or life, everything is complicated, everything is difficult, everything is how it's supposed to be. It's life. So suffer, enjoy, love, live, cry, but by yourself, not in front of other people, for sure. And even if you think again that there's no one who genuinely care about you, there's at least one person somewhere out there that's want to say that he loves you. Not in a weird way, like most people might think or say. Just love you, man. Keep it up. Don't give up. Never give up. Become stronger. Become better. And everything is gonna be fine. Cheers.